Good day everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. So Monday na naman bukas, Sunday today. Ay nako, Monday, ang hirap bumangon yan. Kasi iniisip natin yung trabaho natin, yung exams natin for yung mga students, papasok na naman tayo. May mga asynchronous activities na naman, yung iba synchronous activities. In some schools, some university, they're having their midterm exams. Ay nako, Monday. Diba? Daming worries, dami nating anxieties. So for today, what I would like to share with you to at somewhat ease yung ating mga worries na yan. Ano? I've watched a very inspirational video by Father Jerry Orbos sa kanyang video na Moments. Ano? So, yun yung isi-share ko sa inyo. I would like to share it with you. Sabi doon sa kanyang message is there are 4 things that we have to remember in life. Para hindi daw tayo masyadong gulong-gulo at hindi tayo masyadong maraming iniisip. Unang-una, money can be earned. Pera lang yan. Diba? Money can be earned. Alam niyo naman, worries talaga ng lahat yan. Worries ng maraming tao yung pera. Ano yung babayaran? Marami tayong babayaran. Tuition fees, kuryente, at kung ano utang. So, pero kung nawalan ka man ng pera ngayon o nahihirapan kang kumita ng pera o natalo ka sa maraming bagay, nalugi ka, isipin mo na lang, money can be earned. Kikitain pa rin naman natin yan. Second, quarrels can be resolved. Yung mga away natin, samahan ng loob natin, sa mga kapatid natin, sa mga magulang natin, sa mga kaibigan natin, sa mga kasama natin sa trabaho, sa mga kaklase natin. Siguro it's about time that we have to resolve those things. Huwag na natin dalhin yan. Baka hanggang pagtanda natin, dala-dala natin. So mahirap yon, lalo tayong tatanda. Mabilis tayong tatanda pag marami tayong sama ng loob. Quarrels can be solved. Isang bagay na dapat mong gawin para ma-solve yan, para mas madaling ma-solve yung mga quarrels na yan, humility, pagpakumbaba. Basta nagpakumbaba ka, makakalimutan mo na lahat yan. Mapapatawad mo yung mga sama-sama ng loob na yan. Number 3, life of a loved one is irreplaceable. Life of a loved one is irreplaceable. In my own experience, when my father died, I think 9 years ago, he is irreplaceable. Wala nang papalit pa sa kanya. No? I heard it from the priest when somebody asked that priest, kasi namatay yung nanay niya, close siya sa nanay niya. So sabi, naka-move on ka na ba? After a year, kasi nakita daw sila ng kaibigan niya. Were you able to move on? Sabi nung priest na yon, no, I'm not. I can never move on from the death of my mother because I've lost half of my life. Siguro ganun din tayo pag nawawala yung mga mahal natin sa buhay. Hindi talaga natin masasabing naka-move on ka na because you can never really move on from something na nasanay mo ng kasama kasi mahal mo sa buhay yan. So, irreplaceable talaga yan. So, anong dapat natin gawin hanggat kasama natin yung mga mahal natin sa buhay? Let's show them how much we love them. Number 4 and the last one, the loss of your soul is your greatest failure. Again, the loss of your soul is your greatest failure. Sabi nga sa Bible, what would profit a man to gain the whole world but lose his soul? I remember when I was preparing a speech, in my English class. Speech kasi yun, yung class na yun. My opening verse is that, what would profit a man to gain the whole world but lose his soul in the process? Aanuhin nga ba naman ng tao na maangkin niya ang buong mundo, kapangyarihan, kayamanan, kung sa bandang huli ay hindi naman ang kanyang ikababagsak? Mas mahalaga yung buhay. Tandaan natin, may buhay pa pagkatapos nito. There's a life after death. So we really have to prepare for that. Okay? So huwag natin kalilimutan, 4 na bagay para hindi tayo masyadong nagugulo sa buhay. Unang-una, money can be earned. Pangalawa, quarrels can be resolved. Huwag kalilimutan yung salitang humility. Number 3, life of a loved one is irreplaceable. Kung kasama mo ngayon yung magulang mo, kapatid mo, mga mahal mo sa buhay, mahalin mo na sila ngayon. And then the last one, the loss of your soul is your greatest failure. What will profit a man to gain the whole world but lose his soul? From Gucci here, Have a happy Monday.